Tracking and analyzing data is key to making smart decisions. This is true for innovation data as much as for all business data. Hype feeds innovation data into your favorite BI tool and thus offers you a single source of truth when it comes to data analytics. Find all your business data in one place and stay on top of developments. Relate the innovation performance of individual business areas to each other and to other business data to get a more complete picture of the status quo and take action where needed. Streamline your innovation data today.